identify the sound. Okay?
Okay.
Now listen it carefully. Which sound is this?
It's bangle.
Very good. Now listen the next sound.
Coin.
Coins. Very good. Now third sound.
Plastic.
Plastic. Okay, very good. Now next.
It's banana.
Clap. Very good. It's a clapping. Very good. Ridit, are you ready? You have to guess the sound. Now first sound is, this is the sound of, this is the poly bag. Very good. Now second sound is coins. Very good. Now third sound is clap. Very good. Fourth sound is very good. And fifth sound is tap. Very good.